If I'm hungry, I will eat something. I will eat something if I am hungry. If I was hungry, I would eat something. I would eat something if I was hungry. If I had been hungry, I would have eaten something. I would have eaten something if I had been hungry. Hello everybody, welcome back to my podcast. Today we're going to take a quiz about the conditionals. And remember, you can pause, stop, or rewind as much as you can. Are you ready? Let's get started. So that does it for me with this video. Thank you for watching and supporting my work again. Make sure you like, subscribe, and click on the notifications bell so you don't miss any videos like this. See you next time. Until then, be safe and genuine. Bye.